Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed an existing draw.io diagram into a Confluence Cloud page in just a few simple steps. Click the plus button in the toolbar to open the Insert Elements menu. A menu drops down showing options for adding different types of content to your page. Select Diagram from the menu and Confluence loads the draw.io whiteboard environment. The whiteboard opens in a new interface that replaces your page editor temporarily. The whiteboard opens with a toolbar on the right and drawing tools along the bottom. For this example, I'm creating a simple test diagram. You'll see shape libraries, connectors, and formatting options available as you build your diagram. The canvas is blank and ready for you to start adding elements. Your diagram saves automatically, and a saved notification appears at the top of the screen to confirm it. The notification sits just above the canvas and replaces the earlier saving indicator. Click the Saved button to open the version history panel, where you can review past changes. A side panel slides in from the right showing a list of previous saves with timestamps. Switch to the Add Page tab to embed this diagram into your Confluence content tree. The tab appears at the top of the panel alongside version history. A notification confirms the whiteboard has been added to your page, and the diagram is now embedded and synced. You'll see your page editor return with the diagram visible as an embedded frame in your content. The page may show an unresponsive dialog briefly. It clears on its own, and your embedded diagram remains in place. This dialog is a browser timeout message that appears occasionally but doesn't affect your saved work. If you need to edit the diagram later, just click on it in your Confluence page and it opens the whiteboard editor. Any changes you make sync automatically to every page where it's embedded. You can also insert the same diagram into multiple pages and they'll all stay up to date with a single source. If the diagram doesn't appear immediately after adding it, refresh the page and it should load. And that's how to embed and sync an existing draw.io diagram in Confluence. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.